Good morning, Jason Flevel here from Personal and Professional Growth Industries, helping individuals manifest their true potential through mentoring and education. Spirit animal of the day today is once again the cicada. For those of you who are not familiar with the cicada is an amazing little insect that will bury itself under the ground for a length time of 17 years before it's born into its adult exoskeleton. The youth skeleton of the cicada just serves it no purpose. So it must stay in the darkness with no light, no direction on life, and have that feeling of being lost and out of control, much like most of us are probably experiencing today. Now, the cicada understands and realizes that there's a lot of bullshit that it's going to have to go through in life before it can be born into its true self. This again can be related to most of you, I'm sure. Ask yourself, what is it that you're holding on to that's not serving you any purpose? Now's the time to let it go. Just like the cicada sheds its exoskeleton from its youth and is born again into the perfect adult cicada to live a life full of light, abundance, and happiness, floating around on a world it never knew existed. When you're ready to shed that exoskeleton of yourself, you will be born into a new, higher, aspirative version of yourself. So take this time to contemplate, to let go, and to move ahead. Now is the time that you are coming out from underneath, and you will be shown a whole new light. Thank you for joining us today. Once again, this is Jason Plevel from Personal and Professional Growth Industries. I want to end by reminding you to love your passion, honor your life. Thank you.